Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel. In today's video, we will give you something is very good from our perspective. It's fine, it has many AI tools and it is almost used for everyone. So you can use it, at least if not all of them, at least you can use some of them. So this website called EaseMate. And it is very simple interface, and you need to do sign up either by your authentic email or an disposable email. Then you are here. But before we try it, we will just go and explore some, like in general, then maybe we'll try some specific. But what I like here, you can see this is multiple advanced AI models like GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, and LLaMA, whatever. Here also you have many. So let's see what we have here. So you can see here we have AI chat, ask AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, DeepSeek, and here there is no drop down thing, but you can chat directly with PDF. Here if you go here you will see this is AI study writer research document, and you can see also here it is AI scholar and AI citation generator. And this is very good. Sometimes you have the sentence or you forget from where you got the text, then you just ask this AI to cite and to give you generation sometimes. Also here AI detector writer, you can say AI detector, paraphraser, AI humanizer, whatever, bypass, story generator, and email writer. So you can use it for your study if you are doing something, for example, for your bachelor, master, PhD, postdoctorate, whatever. Also in your work you can use it. Also here it is AI study, so math solver, physics, chemistry, flashcard, quiz generator. This is, I like it because we have here also the research and the academic field. It is inside this AI website. Also here this is AI photo. You can see here many convert to Studio Ghibli and convert to action figure, bit to human, whatever. You can see here many and you can do whatever. One of the good things now, we have flux context, and this is one of the good and the new ones, and it is fine. Also here you can click here, you can see there is view 3 video generator, but it is not with sound, but you can use it and you can add the sound in any other, for example, video editor like CapCut, and you can have something, you can do it. Also here, Midjourney, AI image animator, and here AI YouTube. We have also here AI translator, and this is very good. So you have, if you want to translate from a language to another, image to text, and image translator AI, all tools. So what we will do, and we can just do free try now, and we will click here and we will see. So here it is almost the same what we have discussed earlier in the first interface, but here it's the same almost. So here if you go for research you will find what we have discussed earlier. Here you can just ask anything and you can see here what we have. This is the basic, this is the unlocked. So you need advanced, but those all things you can use them. Just choose the model you want. For example, you want Cloud 3, you want GPT 4o mini, DeepSeek V3, whatever you want here, you can just use those as free. So you can just put a question. Sometimes you can compare with many and many AIs at the same time, at the same place. So let me just ask him a simple question, for example. Give him this very simple question, just like, for example, for you. And here you can go, for example, for LLaMA 3.3, then you go for click, or you can just go for enter normally, whatever you want. And now it started. So this is their answer. And here what we can see, he repeated because I clicked twice, so it's almost the same answer. But let's go here and, for example, go for DeepSeek v3, and we'll give the same answer or the same question. Let me just copy it here and paste it again here, and we'll go again. Then here you can compare between what AI is the best for example, your question. You can also go for Gemini 2.5 Flash, and you click here. Also, we'll go for the same, and I make it very simple. Then it's up to you. See here, for example, this Gemini 2.5, because it's one of the best. Now they give you 3 options, which is, I feel it more fine and more smart than just to give you some basic thing. So let me in what you can use, for example, for chatting. Here you can go for chat PDF, as we said. Here let's go for example, either AI photo generator or video generator. We'll go for video generator. And here you can put image to video or text to video. It's up to you. So let me just go for something text to video. So here I will put just a simple prompt here, and you can go for the ratio you want. Let me go for this ratio, and here you can go for generate. Usually you have 3 or 2, I'm unsure, but you can use that disposable email to get more, or maybe this is daily basis. Then we'll go just for I believe this is daily basis, so you maybe every day you can get 2 created video, or you can use a disposable email. Here they are doing the creation. Let's wait and see from the first lock, but we'll see what's this. This is the problem with 5 seconds, but I believe maybe you can extend it to 8 or 10. I'm unsure. Maybe we need just to check, because I give him like small prompt, but you need also to check this. Also, you can do image to video to, for example, put a photo of someone. Let's try to do something here. So I have chosen this person. I put his image. This is an AI image. It has been created, and I give him like just a small description. I wrote now 10-second video. So let's see what we will get generate. Here we got the video, but I see it's just 5 seconds. Even when I ask him to do it 10 seconds, and I make the prompt somehow long, but let's see, I ask him just to with a smirk that begins to laugh naturally, and finally point at the screen in a confident and smart way. Here it's, let's see what he does. Then we'll click here. I like it. I mean, it's a good one. Somehow it's good one. So, but there's no sound, so you can add sound from anywhere and just put it in CapCut app. Then you are fine. Here also, if we just, I will not go for everything as we said. Just let me go back here. If I go for AI photo generator, you can do the same. You can just put a picture, then you change it to whatever you want here. You can do whatever you want, and it's normal. Some of those pictures you can see they are blurred. I have put them blurred, and I will show you how can you do it if you want to do so at the end of the video. Here just you can go for example, AI Scholar. We'll see what they have. Here you can find a paper, read paper using AI. So you can just put the question or put a topic that you want. Then they will find you some papers. So let me just write something about AI for teaching youngster. So we put this, should we teach youngster the AI? Then we go for search. And you can see here many articles. Even they are cited by how much or how many, number of citation. Also, you can chat with the PDF here. This is very likable. I like it. Even it was quick. Here you can go for example, AI citation. You can use the AI citation site using title, keywords, and others. So we will not explore here more. You can do it your own. And if we go, for example, for flashcard maker, you can put text and or link, then they can create for you, for example, maximum 20, and you can use the model you want as normally, and that is also fine. You can go for video summarizer, AI translator, AI writer, whatever. So I believe you need to explore it. Is very, very useful. AI chat, again, we say chat PDF and AI photo generator, video generator, and here you have AI academic, so you can go for math solver, physics, chemistry, AI scholar, flashcards. Also you can here go for AI detector, paraphrase, whatever, and also here you can go for translator, and here for video summarizer. So I believe to here I finish with this EaseMate AI, but I will show you something at the end. It's somehow unrelated, but you can use it if you prefer to do it. It's a new extension which is very useful. I will just write it here, then we'll see. This is a very good extension. It is called HaramBlur. So some people, they don't want to say the other gender photo or videos, so you can go for this website, then you click, then you just go for we'll see, after you click you go for download, then you will they will go for your if you have, for example, Google Chrome, let me just do it, then you go for Chrome, for example, here, and you can just add the extension normally. If you can just, I have it already, so I need just to remove it if I want to do it, but you can just add the extension, then you will be fine. If you go here and you see this HaramBlur, if you click here and you will see this, you can make the blur amount 50%, or you can, for example, make it this also, you can go for 100%. For example, if you want to blur female, you can blur all female images and videos according to your preference. So what you prefer. For very Muslim or Islamic community, they don't want to have those photos, and some people, they don't want their children to go. For this one, it's very good one. You just add the extension and the other gender, they will be blurred. So you can see here also, this is a lady, female, and her image is blurred. Also, when I showed you in the EaseMate, we had some blurred photos, so they are blurred because I am using this extension. Thank you for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.